everyone, welcome to Plants and Lucia. My name is Lucia and this is Zuzu because it's a scented plant. Get it? Okay. Today we will learn how to take care of this beautiful but also very strong plant. Okay, coming up. Whether you're coming back or this is your first time in my channel, thank you so much for coming. This channel is all about houseplants, so if you want to learn how to take care of them, how to display them, or even how to connect with them, please make sure to subscribe so we can see each other every week. But now, let's get to the video. For location, keep this plant in a warm environment, so 15 to 24 degrees Celsius all year round. Just so you know, as I told you, the first clue that this is a strong plant, it will tolerate dry air. This is different than many other tropical plants, but this one, she will be fine with dry air. In terms of light, this plant, as I told you, is a very strong plant, so it will actually tolerate low light levels. But if you want a lush plant, then it's better to put it in a bright room. Just put it out of the direct sunlight, but yeah, she will be good because it's a very adaptable plant. In terms of watering, it's good to check the soil. So what I do for this one is moderate water. So I check with my finger. I put the finger inside the soil until the second knuckle, and then once I feel that the soil is dry, then I water. And for watering, I actually use, like with all of my plants, if you follow me in this channel, you know that I use this for all of my plants, the bottom watering method, because it's amazing, as I said in almost all of my videos, and it gets to the roots, so hopefully it helps you too. One thing to remember with this plant, and pretty much with every plant, is not to let it sit in water. So make sure that the soil is not soaking in water and that actually it has drainage holes in the bottom. But of course, if you do bottom watering, then it's better because you know how much water is going to stay. But please make sure that your plant is not sitting in water because it's really not good for them. One tip to know that you're actually overwatering your plant is actually the leaves. So if the leaves start yellowing, that means that your plant is being overwatered. So just make sure to check with your finger and make sure that it dries out until the second knuckle, and then you can water. For this plant, as I said, it's a very strong plant again. So you can fertilize it between spring and summer. Late summer is better because these are the growing months. But for this one, you can fertilize it once a month and she will be fine. So once a month, just provide some organic fertilizer for her and she will grow happy and healthy. An extra tip for this beautiful strong plant is to actually wipe its leaves because she's gonna be able to breathe better if the leaves are clean. What I do is actually I use a damp cloth and sometimes I use organic soap. The one that I use is actually the Dr. Bronner's organic soap and with lavender. That also helps me to keep the bugs and the pests away, which is great. It makes me really happy. So I would recommend that. If you have any other more tips about the ZZ plant, please let me know in the comments so we can all learn together. If you like this video and haven't joined the community yet, please make sure to do so by subscribing so we can see each other every week and talk about plants. And as always, I will see you next week. Bye!